What's up guys, my name is Shazli and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the Oraimo AirPod Max. I bought this headphone a few weeks ago and I've been using it. The work is quite impressive, but it also have its bad side. So this is what we are discussing about today. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is the Oraimo Pod Max. As it is written on the box, it charges full for 10 minutes and plays up to 60 minutes. It also have hands-free calling with HD. 8 hours of music playtime with voice assistant function. Actually a nice design. It comes with different color such as white, ash, red, blue, black. Mine is the blue color. It also has this 365 days warranty written on it, which I don't think warranty works here in Nigeria. So let's get to the unboxing. This is the box. This headphone costs $23, which is 10,000 naira. With the design, I think it was the price. The Oraimo Podmax comes in a small handy bag, which is actually cool. I think they did a wise job with this. It also comes with a small USB charger, which is also a fast charger because I use it a lot. One thing I love about this box is the small handy bag. I think this is the job well done to Oraimo, which wireless is written big on it. Here comes the headphone. Its design is very elegant with no sharp edges and flowing lines. A perfect example of minimalist design without being basic. These headphones are made out of anodized silver shells shape, like little pebbles that provide some comfort when worn in your ears. This shell constructed completely of anodized aluminum only risks micro scratches, which is one part I dislike about it. It allows scratches a lot. After using mine for a few weeks, it already had some scratches, so I would advise you while using the headphone, you should try as much as possible to take good care of it to avoid scratch. So these are the buttons mounted by the side. The first button, which a long press will turn on the headphone and a single press will change the mode. Then the call button, pause button, next button, volume up, volume down button. This is the SD card slot and the charging point with the wire port usage. It's a nice design though. This is the big Oraimo brand name written on it. And I also love this blue gradient effect. You can see the way it's shining when the light reflects on it. The handles are plastic, which can get broken easily. I think that is why the small handy bag is there, which I can use with the earphone or any other gadget of mine. So you just have to use it carefully so it can last longer. So I will urge you while using the Oraimo Pod Max, try and take care of it so to avoid some scratches. Since when I've been using this headphone, I thought it was unadjustable, only for me just to know it while I was planning to make this video. So you can actually adjust it for those who have a bigger head size or a smaller one. Just that the adjustment length is not that long enough for other people with extremely big heads. I will urge you while using it, you should also take good care of the handle because using this as the other headphone might not work out. It can break easily. And one thing I noticed about it is that it has no noise cancellation. While listening to the music, you can be hearing some voices beside you and it's not that loud like other big exotic headphones, maybe because of the price. But the loudness is not enough for me because I love listening to music alone without no disturbance or without no voices around me. So, but with the price, I think it's fair enough. So that will be end for today's review. See you at the next one.